Hey, how you doing out there, Naked Turner family? I haven't been doing any wood turning for quite a while, but I'm feeling like I will hopefully be able to get back into doing that real soon. And I happened to see this product online and thought, man, when I get back to doing woodwork, I am really gonna love having one of these. I used to have a Trend Air Pro, which stopped working a few years ago and just became too much of a hassle to deal with because of the batteries. I had done some workarounds on the unit itself, it just didn't work. So I reached out to this company, MicroClimate Air, and was inquiring about them sending me one of their air hoods, the Air3, to do an unboxing on. So I just received it today. I'm here in my backyard and thought I would share this unboxing with you. Hope you enjoy. Let's do a little slice and dice and see what we got in here. Okay, so inside, nicely packaged. Pull this out. This company was really great. They sent me a whole informational package about the unit, and looks like it's really nicely put together in here. Here's the unit, and this I'm saving. Pull that out of the bag in a second. Move that off to the side. Let's see what else we got in here. Okay, so we've got another bag here with, it looks like, let's see what we got. Power cord, microfiber cloths for cleaning. Looks like a little silicone rubber piece here. Must be for something in there. Anyway, we'll find out more about that, but it looks like power supply and cleaning rags. Okay, then here. Okay, this looks like a mountable rack for you to hang, and yep, this will hang to support the unit in your shop off of the wall. And then here is a storage bag to put it in. And let's see what else. The manual and information sheet on this unit. Well, this looks like it's going to be amazing. Let's pull this up out of the bag now. And take a look at this. So there it is. That thing looks really space age. And I'll have to read about everything on this, but let's hook this up. It says it has a 50% charge when it shows up. So what else does it say here? Open up the ratchet on the inside all the way before applying. So I'm going to I'm here opening up the ratchet inside of the hood. And oh, the other thing it said was turn it on before you put your head in. Oh yeah. Oh, that feels nice. Nice fresh air. Can't hear me when I'm in there, but man, is that nice. Nice fresh air blowing all around my head. I think this thing is going to be a game changer for my woodworking and wood turning. MicroClimate, thank you so much for sending me this. I'll be doing some review of the product once I'm back to doing some wood turning, which could take me a little bit of time, but hopefully sometime in the next month or two, I'll have this out on my lathe and be doing some experimentation and further reviewing of the product. But this microclimate air looks like it's going to be awesome, and I feel like a kid in a candy shop. Thanks for watching.